boys. And
I don't mind the neighborhood. That's why I'm doing a house in it. I'm just saying that there's only so much sell value you can get out of it.
You're going to go to the carpet upstairs, so I think you should probably bring that not going on.
I think so. So I think we just take it up to.
All right, sweet. And is this what you had mentioned, that program that you were going with?
No, this is just.
A quick intro and then we'll go. Hey guys, this is Mark Lane. So today we are at one of the new houses. Address is 3107 Wright Street in Des Moines. Purchased it for $60,000. We got a projected ARV right now after repair value of about $125,000 to $130,000. And so today we're actually doing a quick walkthrough to kind of decide on our finishes and what we're planning to do to the house so we can proceed. So we have Stu is my project manager. He's going to be, helping along, and then we have Kathy, who is the designer, and she's going to be putting in her input as well. You guys are just going to follow along with us for the next, 10, 20 minutes, and then over the next few weeks, we'll continue to shoot this house and show you kind of how everything proceeds from here. What are you thinking on this old woodwork? Which I say we just keep it, right?
I think so too.
Later and take that off just to make sure it transitions over nicely. But it looks like we probably have the hardwood throughout this whole main level. You guys have a screw gun in your truck? We're just gonna have to order. We'll just be ordering regular stock. So I think that. We have plenty of space here, so I think.
So you'd be fine.
Hardwood all the way.
Yeah, I'm just wondering what the transition is too.
Cool. Looks pretty good.
Maybe.
Yep.
So let's start in this room and just start from.
Yeah, kind of start from walking in.
We're gonna try this. That's out of scope of work that can be drilled down.
Okay.
Within Smartsheet, all these have additional drop-down
Yep.
boxes with the detail, but for the walkthrough, it's just kind of getting the general.
Okay. Did Aaron say anything to you about utilities getting turned on here today? No. Okay.
Tomorrow, she did. She sent me messages tomorrow about the morning.
Okay. There's always a different return on both of those. So I think if we go all in on it, I think we have a chance for a return of. I think we have a chance for a sale price of about $130,000.
Hopefully we can do it from now on.
There's some cracks in the ceiling, so we'll
Yeah.
patch those.
Pretty good sized kitchen here, actually. This is it's going to be, well, it's nice, but it's also it adds up as far as cost to most of our basic houses.
If I were to compare apples to apples with another company, what would I say? A kitchen layout, which is typically how many cabinets?
But the buyers don't know that. All they're seeing is new. So if they see new Lowe's or new specialty cabinets, all they're seeing is new.
Compact. They don't have a white, do they?
I didn't like those at all.
I hope you guys looked at the cabinets from IKEA.
Why? Because they look like kid cabinets.
They do?
The garbage. Yeah. Most of their stuff is like put together yourself. So if you're putting them together yourself, they're junk.
I'm going to tell you boys that we're going to get much closer to 150 than we are at 125 in this house. Well, and I'm not saying that we want to spend all of that on the profit, but what we just discussed, if we have time, boys. And
I don't mind the neighborhood. That's why I'm doing a house in it. I'm just saying that there's only so much sell value.
I would like to see if they are going to be there, that board more of a decorative piece, or whether or not maybe it's just an accent color. As it is, I'm not liking it, but it's certainly nice to have those right when you walk in the door.
Why don't we just replace the hooks and maybe use those boards as just a little bit of an accent?
Okay,
This one can come down though.
for sure.
This is just screws.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's just really make it pop. So, anything else here?
In this area.
What about the stairs?
Security system, what do you got there?
I think we'll probably take that down.
I think probably you're going to go to the carpet upstairs.
So plan to carpet the stairs.